So welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys this twist out that I did. Here it is right here. This is day one hair, so it's still relatively defined. Not a lot of volume going on, but you know, enough for day one. And if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, just keep watching. So I'm just going to start off with an old twist out, and I'm just going to start from the beginning by washing my hair. And to wash my hair, I'm going to use this Tresemme shampoo. It's full of parabens and sulfates, which are all the no-nos you're supposed to stay away from, but it really helps to get my hair clean. And I'm not too concerned about it stripping away all the moisture because I go in with this Manoia Oil Deep Conditioner by Carol's Daughter, and it's kind of really thick and it helps replenish all that was lost from that shampoo. So I just kind of spread it on and I twist my hair up into sections, and I'm showing you guys how I do that. Then I just detangle and twist it on up. Then I will leave it in for 30 minutes and keep on about my business. So as for styling, I just start off using the lock method. So I wet my hair, and I'm going to use this Blueberry Bliss curling cream. I can't remember if it's a cream or a leave-in conditioner, but I use that and I put that on my hair. And then the next thing I will do is I will take this oil, this island oil that I have, and I will put that on my hand and then rub it in and make sure it goes all the way down my hair shaft. Then next I'm going to take that same Blueberry Bliss cream or conditioner, and I'm just going to reapply that again to seal in all the oils that I just put in. In this way, this helps keeps my hair super moisturized, especially during these cold months, and it also makes my styles last a lot longer. So to flat twist my hair, I'm just going to take 2 strands and I'm going to twist them over each other. Then as I'm about to twist over the next section, you just grab a piece of hair and twist it over as well. So it's just twist, grab, twist, grab, twist, grab. And doing flat twists really helps to get more definition out of your style versus regular twists, which is why I prefer this method a lot better. And to make sure you get the best results, when you get to the bottom, make sure you smooth your hair as you twist. That way it's no tangles and you can get really nice defined curls. So I've left this in for a few days to air dry because you never want to take down a wet twist out. That's just a disaster. But when I take it down, you know, you just kind of try and be a little bit gentle. Sometimes I'm not gentle, and you can see that there. But for the most part, try and be gentle. And as I take it down, I like to go ahead and separate the curls wherever I see that they're naturally separating, because for me, this helps me get more and more volume, which is definitely a plus. And then once it's all said and done, I just go ahead and fluff out my hair, and there you go. So after fluffing my hair for quite a bit and taking it out, this is the finished result. Twist outs usually aren't my favorite thing to do, mostly because I leave my hair in for such a long time. Like, I left it in over the weekend to let it dry and really do it. To let it dry so I can get the most definition out of my hair. But leaving it in so long, when I sleep on them, like the side that I sleep on, the twists become flat because I laid my head on them so long, and I feel like it changes up how fluffy each side gets, and I don't really like that. I don't like first day hair at all. It's just not my favorite thing because it doesn't have as much volume as I want. Me personally, I'm willing to sacrifice definition if I could get more volume. So I like usually day 2 or 3. Usually day 3 is a sweet spot where my hair can like get the right shape that I like it to be. So yeah, if you like this video, be sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and comment down below if you have any other suggestions. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.